could. So I'm gonna get the bolt, or maybe even the.
So you can borrow my bolt till. So eventually I'm going to get the full army done. The next gun that's going to be looked at will be the PKM. And that gets done, you guys get basic training of not hold the trigger down first fire. You also be assigned somebody to spot. Just off. I'll tell you that.
It's one of your cheaper ones. Yeah, the scope costs 3 times more. Probably put your eyes a bit here. There you go. Can you see that? Aim at the yeah, but it's not DMR scope, that's why. With the sniper scope, you can get eye about here. With this one, it's 4 inch eye relief, so you can hold it back. So my my gun, on the other hand, I'm actually going to plan on trying to get a melee kill with this because it does bend 90 degrees. It's a good thing.
Once again, no one help either.
Okay, everyone.
Switching colour. If you see me going, nah, change stance, just go like that and just jab them.
Yeah. We have one more.
Sort of an easier way. So I'm going to do it.
Should we not tell us it's 15 minutes?
Yeah. And then there's about 10 to come out.
There's another range, so if you can give him the other colour, that'd be hilarious.
No. Sorry.
Leaning, bro. Trust me, get used to it now.
That's a solid, secure man.
Yeah, I know, it's just not big. Just not big.
Well, actually, yeah.
Maybe in
That would be a good thing. King of the hill. Quite late. Bullet more comfortably. I didn't want to pepper him.
That's my plan. I don't care. Everyone's got green. No.
I want to play with Sonny helmet.
Thank you.
Mate, I honestly thought it was a walk for a second. Like.
It's a bit cold.
No.
Yeah.
Or should I just attach the entire claymore I have with my
I mean, attach the knife as a pin. It would not work very well.
You and your band.
Yeah.
You sound like the pyro out there.
If I can have blues to my left and oranges there, just like County Phoenix is getting confusing. Blues there, oranges there. If you haven't got a band, stand just back there.
Isaac wants to go orange.
Guys, if you just move over to the orange bit. Yeah, just make it a bit more clear. Yeah, orange.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You have orange? Yeah.
The only thing about this is it's got the 2 mag releases, it's got the MP5 there, and it's got that one there, so if anyone presses against
Well, you can take that one out, then you should be able to get...
Yeah.
And when you take the MP5 mag out, you should be able to get them 4 mags in there.
Maybe, yeah.
Wanted to reduce the
Come for me, boys. I'll take all your heads off. Try it.
Oh, no, you ain't going to do shit.
Your head's off first.
Miles, you know when you call hit?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm the same, mate. As soon as you call hit, Big up, Dave.
Mate, your teammate down, he's going off. Right guys, listen up for me. I'll get us moving. The squad's going to be slightly different for this game. We're going to do domination of the centre building, the L-shaped one. One team's going to still start up there, but the other team now will start in the opposite end, the blue wraps in that top corner. Okay? So one's going up there, one's going up there. No, it's this one here in the middle, the L shape. Yeah, the L shape. This one here. Big middle one. Okay, there's a corner room. There'll be a marshal stood in there. That's the room you need control of, okay, for as long as possible. Semi only, same boundaries as earlier. Netted wall, net along, rope down, white wraps. Any questions?
Oh yes. Over there. Be free to shoot as much as you want. Try and engrave your initials.
Right, if I can have oranges then heading up to that respawn for me.
Oh, let's go to your way. I have my orange.
Oh, start the one again.
This is my flashback.
Marshall Channel.
Have I? What channel is this?
Move up, trees. Don't know where you're going! Oh, I was going to have a piss.
Man down.
Right, let's go for a 10-100. Shoot him in the nuts! Oh, that one after he got a wiener out and so he shoots him right in the nuts. Oh, shoot him right in the belly. Oh, bad belly. Oh!
Boys, our group's been split up, half over there, half over here. We've got to fucking dominate them. The fat one in the LMG, just light him up. Light him up. Listen, if he calls hit, we're all deaf. Didn't hear that.
One that'll be on the floor.
Yeah, get the one with the do-rag.
L-shaped on.
Yeah, I'll show them.
You on our channel or on Mark?
On the Marshall channel to tell everyone. Right.
Oh, Chris. Oh, tempting.
I mean, it's been the rule so far, the last person gets shot. I haven't done it.
Oh, I'll shot me in the nuts.
2, 1,
What are we doing?
go meat bags, go!
Are they the fob? Oh shit.
What did they throw it there?
Oh, he's already in there. I call it.
Oh!
Running up on left on boundary.
Good. Orange.
Orange. And then we go by door.
It worked last time.
Orange has got the building.
Keep an eye on the window though. We got a trap as well. Even if they're around the corner.
Do you want to smoke in over there?
Oh,
No,
never mind.
no one's in here.
Any oranges in?
Yeah, Orange has got the building.
Orange has got building.
We get some more people in that other half.
Anyone in front?
Right, that's clear. Yeah, orange.
Orange.
Orange in there already.
No, if I get down, literally my whole tactic right now.
Boys, far building in the window.
Keep an eye on this one.
Orange, they're orange. They're pushing down.
Oh, we really secured this.
I see him, he's still peeking window.
Just like this, mate. You can make it easier for them to get here.
Right, let me go.